This is a project we're doing in Villanova for our customer. This is an old century home, and this was an old barn/shop. We're almost completed. They have a little bit of electrical work to do. Well, we started out with just customer wanted some re-drywall in his shop to make this a studio for himself. Once we started doing a bit of tear out, we realized that there was a lot of rot in here and water damage throughout the year. We ended up replacing this whole wall and that whole wall and restructuring a bunch of the roof. Ended up putting a whole new roof on the structure. We had to raise the floor up to get off the old concrete, which you can see here how much we did bring it up. So we came up almost a full 8 inches higher and re-insulated the floor, so it's a nice warm space. For the clients, we did add a couple extra closets for the homeowners here that they wanted to have for extra storage and a little bit more hidden. We kept the original beams and posts in here. We ended up wrapping them just to clean it up a bit. Over here, we installed a new heat pump, which has kept this place super warm, and it's quite the nice unit. We did a bunch of new siding and trim and a couple new porches out front and out the back door here. The windows, we went way larger on all of the windows and added a new double patio door here, which was a single. So we also upgraded the electrical panel as it wasn't a large enough panel in here. So it's a separate pony panel to run everything that's going to be in here for all his machinery he's going to have for his studio.